right? So here's that grid that's empty. Now, let's say I have some data in a spreadsheet, and I have one here that I've been working with. So I have this data in a spreadsheet. I'm just going to copy this data. And when I click on this icon in the grid, it's opening out a new window here with a JavaScript grid. So I'm just going to paste that is modeled on the PeopleSoft grid, same columns. And so I'm just going to paste my data from Excel into my JavaScript table. Now I can do a lot of stuff here. Obviously, I can edit this here, and I can add rows. It's like an Excel, Microsoft Excel experience here. But I'm just going to show you that I'm just going to rapidly then paste my data. So I can click Push PeopleSoft and then go back to my page. And you can see here that the 12 rows from my JavaScript grid pasted into my PeopleSoft grid.